Here we go, fully stretched out. I've taken the pressure off the jack a couple of times, it's popped back into place, but each time I've redone it, gone a little bit extra, a few creaks and groans. I've got myself a big Jimmy bar, and I've pulled this whole front pan out from the bottom here. This is tucked way back under there. I've just got the bar in there, see the marks in the wood. I've rammed that out, that's not far out at all. Just on them here. Just lever this up a little bit. Probably a two-handed job, I'll probably get back to that when I put the camera down.